Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Face ID on any iPhone. So for you to be able to remove Face ID on any iPhone, you have to open your settings. Once you do that, then scroll down a little, then you click on this Face ID and passcode option. Good. If Face ID is enabled on your phone, once you click on this, your Face ID will be requested for. Then you can scan your Face ID using your face, then it will open. But if you are not on Face ID, just simply input your passcode. Once you do that, then you can easily come back down here and turn off Face ID option. You can see attention required for Face ID. Make sure you turn it off. You can see required attention, Face ID more secure. Just click on OK. And you can see Face ID is off on this phone. At the same time, attention aware features, you can also turn it off. Also, it also works for Face ID. And that is how to turn off Face ID features on your iPhone. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.